Hello there. It's another time here on Hallowed Homes with me, Bennett Kenyansa. Today we present to you some tips as a landlord that would help you, especially to improve the quality of your facility. Tips that would help you to improve your facility as a landlord. Keep your property in good condition. As a landlord, it is a duty to maintain your property. Always seek and always maintain your property in a good condition. Your house, your facility, whatever you are renting, don't just be interested in the money, but always be interested that your property is in a good condition. Tip number 2, detect issues before they become serious. If you see any damage, any issue on your property, detect it early and work on it before it becomes a big issue. Yes, it helps. Detect issues early before they become big issue. So the third tip is show interest in the general well-being of your tenant. Yes, when a tenant is in your facility, show interest. If it is maybe time for a funeral, time for their marriages, time for naming ceremonies, if you can, and the invitation is thrown to you, you can show interest. Be there for them. Let them know that indeed they have a figure in you that they can trust. By doing so, your tenants feel comfortable around you. As I said before, keep your property in good condition. Detect issues early before they become big. By so doing, you save money at the long run. Yes, you save money at the long run. Thank you very much for watching Hallowed Moments, powered by Hallowed Homes with me, Bennett Kenyansa. We'll be back with more tips. Keep following our page, keep liking our content, and keep sharing our content.